Satan, nej!
Jæren racing team.
Okay, we're here at Sviland and we thought we'd show you how it's living in Norway during winter time. And now we're gonna send the Supercross on these ass boards. You ready, man?
Ja. Fan får du roa skor då.
Ja, kom on! Satan! Åh, satan! Åh! Shit! Okay. And now we'll go and ride the indoor track, I think.
Passer bra.
Now we're good and warm. Alright, we made it to the famous indoor track here in Sviland. And we thought we'd do a game of BMX. Shall we do rock, paper, scissors? Who sets the first line? Okay, then I'll go first. And we'll start it off easy with the manual the whole last straight. Malmen, you. On camera, do you? Alright, Malmen's turn. What's the line?
Jump every jump on the first straight.
Alright, my line will be manual the entirety of the first straight, starting from the bottom of the gate hill, or the ramp.
Good there.
Good there. Hey, Malm, that's cheating.
What? Give no speed?
No, that's a letter. B for Malm. Malmen's turn.
I think 1 foot manual on every jump on the first straight.
Oh, it's all for me. Alright, my turn. We'll go on the second straight. We'll do a jump the first one, jump the second one, manual to jump the last one. Oof.
Okay, my line will be a transfer. Just watch this.
Okay, my line will be to add to yours. We'll do the exact same. but we'll keep the transfer chain going.
Okay, jump the whole last straight. Well done with the transfer, Martin. That was shitty.
Oh well, that corner's never been for me. Now standing evenly at BM. And I suggest how about we make this interesting and make a bet out of it. The loser will be snow washed after we're finished.
Sounds good.
Okay, and it's my turn to set the line and I'll do the triple.
Nope, doesn't count.
What do you mean?
Doesn't count. Okay, my turn. I want to finish this, go home, have a beer. So I think I just we do 1 foot on the second jump.
What do you mean? This isn't X Games, Malmen.
There's no rules.
I've never managed to do this, but we'll give it a good try.
You want to bet, so now you'll have it.
Well, you cheated, but okay. Okay, now I at least got the cool down. This was the first and hopefully last time we're at the indoor track this year. But it's not looking very good. What do you say, Malmen?
Last time.
Last time.